Tonight we're going to be making some Italian sausage hoagies. You start with basically just browning up some sausage, Italian sausage, chop it up, move your sausages over to a separate pan, but save the drippings. You're going to use that. Next, we're going to be making this pepper and onion marinara sauce. You start it basically with onions and peppers, garlic, oregano, and then I did chop up some fresh basil, which gives it a really nice flavor. And to finish off this sauce, you're basically going to add some tomato paste. And then once you've got the paste in there with some red wine, I used a Toscana wine. So you're just going to be kind of bringing this to a simmer, and then after that you're going to add a whole can of diced tomatoes. Additionally, you are going to be adding some of these crushed red pepper flakes, really to your liking. You don't want to add like too much if you don't want it to be too spicy, but they do add a nice spice. And once you've got all of that cooking down, your diced tomatoes and everything are going to cook down, you're going to add back in your sausages. Heat up your bread, and then you're going to plate it all. It looks amazing. Would you want to try this? Comment below and let me know.